Hi, we are at the Welsh Autism Shows and I'm here with Nath, one of the employees of the Autism Directory actually. Good afternoon, Nath.
How's it going?
Not too bad, thanks. Nath is familiar with being recorded. He actually did an interview with us in the show in Aberystwyth back in March. But now Nath wants to share some experiences and a legacy with you about somebody he's recently met, isn't it, Nath?
Not exactly. I used to have this Cuban friend, and I only discovered recently that he died over a year and a half ago. And I wrote this piece for him, which unfortunately he'll never hear now, but it brings back a lot of memories. He didn't speak a word of English, but he was a very interesting character. You know, he had his ways of communicating with people around, and I'm using those methods towards, you know, my nieces and any other person who doesn't understand English or anything like that. And I call it a communication legacy, and I really want to keep it going. And with your help and your help as well, I think we could go very far.
Okay, great. And Nath is on YouTube. Nath Trevett is the YouTube channel if you want to keep up to date with what Nathan does. Thank you very much, Nathan.
Take it easy.